Hey y'all, Keeney coming to you with another pro tip of the day. So we've got an '07 Compass in the garage today, and if you've ever had a problem where you need to thread a stud or a bolt down in the engine bay somewhere, or really anywhere, that you can't fit your hand in, but you can fit extensions and sockets down in that area, but the bolt keeps falling out, this is how you get around that when your hands don't fit and you need to thread that bolt in somewhere down deep. So on this car, we had to put a crank sensor on it. And if you've ever done one on these, you'll know they're kind of buried in the back side. Can't get to them from the bottom, can't see them from the top. The only way you can really get down in there is with a mirror and feeling with your hands. So when we need to put the heat shield bolts back on, the only way I can really reach it is with an extension and a socket and trying to feed it down in there. So the problem that I keep having is every time I go to thread that down in there, the bolt just kind of falls out just like that. That one I actually found. So this goes with anything, but on these crank sensors, they're kind of hard to get to. This is the thing, the setup you kind of need to get in there and get it done. When this keeps falling out, just take your special tool paper towel corner, lay it over top of your socket, and just set that bolt right in there. Now we can take this thing, thread it on down behind, get it spun in there, and then this socket will just pull right off when we're done. So anytime that you have a bolt that goes into an area that your hands don't really fit or you're having trouble gaining access to, go ahead and get that paper towel squared away inside that socket and get it done like a pro. That's all I got for you. I'll catch y'all in the next one.